Okay, so I have removed all the bolts to expose the timing chain cover, and as you can see, it's coming out and there is no turning back. Wow. Wow, pretty nasty. Pretty nasty. We're gonna clean all this to make it look new like that. You see, I'm taking care of this engine, my friend, and there is definitely a sentimental value. Okay, I hope I can totally revive this and make it look like new. So now that that's done, I'll get to clean it later. I need to remove the timing chain and the guides. So now that I have that, then I'll be able to remove all these bolts to get this first section out, and then the head is next. That's where I am. Capish?